what the situation is like at Safdarjung Hospital. In fact, he was getting us an important voice of somebody who's a member of the FORDA as well, as he specifically said. He was also listing out the demands of the doctors. One of them, of course, includes demanding the resignation of the principal of the RG Kar Medical College. Now, we're crossing over to my colleague Abhishek to get us more outside of Armel Hospital. Abhishek, over to you.
Well, absolutely the same kind of anger and rage can be seen here also at Armel Hospital. The resident doctors are demanding justice. They are asking that we are the saviors, we save people, and if we are in threat, if we are not protected, then who is there to help us? Then who is there to protect us? They are demanding a CBI probe in this whole matter because this matter is very sensitive, and they are saying that unless there is no CBI inquiry, the whole matter will not come up and the truth will not prevail. Instead of that, they are also saying that all the authorities who are involved in this whole incident, they should be punished, they should be brought under scanner. And the third point is that they want a centralized protection act to protect them. We have some doctors over here. What are your demands? What are you saying? What is something which you want that government should do?
So first of all, we want a thorough investigation in the case. We want a clarity on what has actually happened and that the victim should get justice. Second, we want a protection throughout for doctors because there are numerous episodes of violence against the doctors inside the premises. There are n number of cases which have even not been registered and the voice has been unheard. So second is that a Central Protection Act should be made against the doctors, and the victims and the family should get justice in this case. This is what
the victims and the families get justice in this case. We have some more doctors over here. क्या मांगे हैं? What do you think? What should be done? Only CBI will do, or there's some more actions to do in this case?
We want कि clear और transparent जो है उसके against सारी checking वगैरह होनी चाहिए. And the demand is कि जो higher authorities हैं जिनके अंदर ये सब चल रहा है तो उनको permanently हटाया जाए और उनकी जगह पे honest लोगों को लाया जाए जो अपना job करे ढंग से. और क्योंकि पास बहुत सारे एपिसोड्स अभी देख चुके हैं, still there is a no action, so we want कि सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट आया जाए towards डॉक्टर, क्योंकि अगर हम ही सेफ नहीं है तो हम सोसाइटी को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट कर पाएंगे?
हम भी सेफ नहीं है तो हम प्रोटेक्ट कैसे करेंगे? What do you think? What action should be done in this whole case?
Sir, first of all, there should be a CBI inquiry for the case, for the transparency of the case. As the administration is trying to save accused, it was a 3 semen sample was found from a vaginal sample of a patient, but they got a single arrest till now. And they try to save the main person who is behind the scene. So we want that administration should be derived from these cases, and we want a Central Protection Act for our doctors.
Central Protection Act, this is what they have to say, and they're saying that we are the saviors, we save the people, and if we are under threat, then who is going to protect us? We are fighting our own, we are fighting for ourselves, and this is what they have to say at Armel Hospital. They are protesting here, they are sitting here, and this is for indefinite. I mean, there's no certain period of time that they're protesting. They're saying that unless and until our demands are not fulfilled, unless and until we do not get justice, we will protest.
Absolutely, Abhishek, very powerful statements that are being made by the protesting doctors. Now, we'll continue to track